This is an engine. It helps move earth, make buildings, and power tractors. Even, generators that keep the lights on in hospitals, airports, your offices, and homes. They are made to run clean, match the latest emission norms, and befriend the environment. We even make them run on alternate fuels: natural gas, biodiesel, ethanol, or solar power. This is where they are made. Right in the middle of 120 types of trees and 80 species of animals. This is the sun. It powers the plant, lights up the offices, and helps out in the kitchen. This is rainwater. It is harvested, used across operations, and shared with our neighbors. These are farms, organic farms. They feed our workforce, the ones who make the engines. This is waste, food waste, converted into biogas and used for steam cooking. This is waste, plastic waste, converted into fuel, powers our forklifts and operations across the plant. That's what we do. We build engines. Clean. Because we celebrate the environment every day.